How shall I do it?
Oh, I know. I'll turn him into a flea. A harmless little flea. And then I'll put that flea in a box. And then I'll put that box inside of another box. And then I'll mail that box to myself. And when it arrives...
Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're feeling great because today we're going to be a wonderful character from a hilarious animation, and that's going to be Emperor's New Groove, and my favorite character is Yzma. Yeah, you might hate her a little bit, but she's lovely in my view. So let's get it started.
Crank, why did I think you could do this? This one simple thing. It's like I'm talking to a monkey.
Whoa now.
A really, really big, stupid monkey named Crank.
Ouch.
And do you want to know something else? I've never liked your spinach puffs. Never.
That's it. She's going down.
We're gonna need more space on my face, so I'm gonna use this cellophane to make myself bald. And we can work on the tapes that we're going to use in the future. And for now, we use this tape for all of our hair so we can paint on it later. You know, Yzma is gonna be probably the hardest makeup I've ever done. I don't know why, she's got too much details and we have to work on every one of them. So be very careful about, you know, drawing her face, and that's what we're going to do now. First, I want to start with light purple for almost everywhere, and then we can use dark ones for around these lines. Okay guys, I have a trick for you. For this part that these two colors mix each other, don't pull the color, just put it like this. And in this way you can fade them. Alright, now it's time for working on the eyebrows and eyelids. For eyelids, we have to use some kind of very dark purple, and eyebrows is easy peasy. Let's do it. Right, they're not perfect, but I'm satisfied with them. So I just leave it like this, and I'm gonna work on the nose. The shape of her nose is exactly like Corella. So we have done it before, it's easy, we can do it. Okay, so the nose is finished. I like it, I really like it, and there are some details left that we have to work on it later. Now I want to work on the head. We just have to paint it black. And if you wonder why I'm not working on the lips and the mouth, you know, I'm so hungry, I'm starving, and the dinner's not ready, so I keep it so I can eat later.
It's dinner time!
Okay, so we're done with the black parts. Now we have to work on the neck. So we have to draw and paint a long and tiny neck here, and then again we have to paint around it. I really like it, it's kind of nice. Okay, now I want to work on the eyeballs. You know, it's not a difficult thing because we just have to paint them white. Easy, huh? Alright, so here are the eyeballs. I'm gonna paint my eyelashes later. I wanna see right now. And now we have to work on some details of our face. Like for example, these lines that you see, which are black right now, we have to paint them purple. And then we're almost done. And then I go and eat my dinner, and then I come back and work on the lips. Finally, we can work on the mouth. Yeah, I fed myself. Now we can work on the lips. To be honest, in my opinion, it's the hardest part of this makeup. So, pray for me. Okay, now I like it. I wasn't satisfied with the teeth, but now I think they're not bad. And there's a tiny, I think, a piece of vegetable between these two teeth. So we're going to paint it. Okay, so we're done with the face of Yzma. And now I have to get dressed. And later I'll come back with some kind of surprise. Okay, this is it. I really like the eyelashes and the whole outfit, also these earrings. So we have to work a little bit on the eyeballs and we're going to be done. Alright guys, so we are finally done with Yzma from Emperor's New Groove. I've been working on it for 12 hours and again I'm starving and exhausted, and just cheer me up with your likes and comments, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I hope you like it because I myself have so much fun doing this makeup. Also, I'm tired, but I hope you enjoy it as well. So don't forget to do the things I told you. I'll be thankful, and goodbye.
No touchy.